You want to get started with GitHub Cloud Code Actions. Good for you, me too. So what we want to do is we get started with that because it has a very nice feature, which is add Claude mention. So you can just create an issue or a PR, you mention Claude Code, tell it what to do, and it will just do it. That's the theory. So what we want to do is to set it up. And we have this little project here, which is amazing YouTube title generator, which is part of my YouTube studio, which is totally free and open source. And I invite everyone to wipe code it together with me. And we basically want to use Claude Code and all its new and amazing features for that. So this is what we want to do. And yeah, so one thing that I want to do is with this add Claude mention feature, I want to change this amazing YouTube title generator title to just YouTube title generator. I mean, of course it is amazing, but I think we don't want to tell everyone. It is a very minor change, to be fair, but we are just testing the feature, so I think this is totally fine for us for now. So let's get started. First, we do a little dive in. So what we're going to do is learn about integrating Claude Code, and we just check what it is. Claude Code GitHub Actions brings AI-powered automation to your GitHub workflow. With a simple add Claude, mention in any PR or issue, which we're going to try. Let's see about the time. I think we try first with an issue. And then maybe later with an PR, or we let it create an PR, let's see. Claude can analyze your code, create pull requests, implement features, and fix bugs, all while following your project standards, which is very nice. So, why to use it? It can create instant PR creation. You can automate code implementation, follow your standards, which is nice, very nice. So all your Claude MD files will be respected, and with all these guidelines and existing code patterns. And it's very simple to set up. Very good. We will test that. We will challenge that. And we need this API key. And it is secure by default. So let's just get started. So what it does, simple setup. So the only thing what you have to do is you write this in Claude Code. And I did this already here. And then you will get this error message probably if you did not set up your GitHub CLI correctly yet. This is not a big problem. The only thing what you have to do is to copy paste this in your terminal and just follow the steps. You copy paste this one then into your browser, and then you just follow the steps till your authentication is completed. So we did this now. So I think here I can just go and exit, and we just try this again. I think this does not work. So GitHub, we just gonna do that. And now it's checking my installation, and it's checking my current repository, which is correct. So I think let's follow their instructions. So manual setup, this we don't do. We don't want to upgrade from beta. Before and after exam. Okay, after scrolling down a little bit, we found this. So I don't know, maybe I can just test it now. So I think I only have to do this. Let's try it. So we go here and we just create an issues. And we just create a new issue, which is change title. Change the title from our recent title is Amazing YouTube Generator, and we want to change it to from to without the amazing And I think then what we have to do is we just have to mention Claude. So let's try that. Oh, okay, add Claude. Okay, create. And then we just see what's happening. Create. So the issue is created. Actually, now I don't really know what I have to do. Yeah. I don't know if I get a comment now. Or let's see. Claude will automatically and context respond appropriately. So here I think, okay, maybe I have to do this. Okay. My bad. I think I forgot this part here. I have to install it. And I want to do that for Florence. Install and authorize. So yeah, I think maybe now it's good. Let's see. Don't know. So opening browser, enter once, press enter once you have installed the app. Okay. So tag cloud and issues and PR comments. Okay. Create a long-lived token with your cloud subscription. Enter a new API key. Okay, I want to do this. So now it's opening my browser. Okay, I have to log in here. Well, I think I do this in a new window. 1 second, because with this browser I'm not logged in here, so I think I just do it here. Okay, so you cannot see this right now. I will just make it for you visible. So what happened right now is this. Claude Code would like to connect to your Claude chat account. Contribute, okay, I will authorize that. You are all set up for Claude Code. You can now close this window, which I will. So, okay, nice. Open a pull request. Okay, installing Cloud Code, GitHub, egg. This PR adds a cloud workflow to what is Cloud Code, blah, 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 security. Okay. So on which project I'm now? Open this PR. Once this PR is matched, we will be able to interact with Claude by mentioning, okay. Claude, okay, you cannot read that now, I'm sorry for that. Let's make it bigger. So what is this now all about? Okay. Installing Cloud Code GitHub app. This PR adds GitHub Actions workflow that enables Cloud Code integration in your repository. What is Cloud Code? How it works? Once this PR is merged, we will be able to interact with Claude by mentioning at Claude. Okay, so I think I will just merge it then. I create the pull request. It was not mentioned in the docs so far, I think, which is strange. Okay, the PR is created and merge. Okay. Claude Code review, pull request. Okay, nice. So it seems Claude Code is doing something. It's checking my stuff. And yeah, I think I will just merge it now. Merge pull request. Confirm merge. Okay. So let's go back to my issues. Did anything happen here? Okay, it seems that something happened. Okay, Claude Code changed the title. It did that. So, how? What happened now? Okay. I know. Okay, I think it did not do anything here. Or did it? I don't know. I have a poor PR. Well, no, I don't have a PR. So, I don't know. Do I have now some changes to pull? Let's see. Here. Okay, I can pull. And I run my app, which is still, let's try to make this bigger. Okay, I can make this bigger. So I just do pnpm dev, and I go back to my app and I refresh. Okay, nothing changed. So let's try this again. So we just whatever. We close this issue. We're just gonna create it again and let's see, because to be fair, it was not already set up. So we close this issue, then we go to issues, then we do a new issue, change app title, and then we do add Claude Code, and we want to do that, and we're just gonna create it. So let's see what is happening now. Okay, Claude Code is working. Nice, nice, nice. I will analyze this and get back to you. Let's be curious about what is happening. So I would say the setup was pretty straightforward. Okay, we had this one, I don't know. Wasn't really a problem. I mean, okay, so it's creating a to-do list. It's maybe a little bit too much for just this little thing here, but okay. And from amazing to YouTube title generator. So what I like, it's like you can really see live what is kind of happening. And it seems to be a little slow, but I mean, who cares? Because the only thing what you do is you create some issues, let them fix the issues, and then, yeah, you don't have to be there. If it's creating some more text and stuff like that, it's okay. So now it's doing these changes. Is it doing something here too? Probably not. A pre-filled PR page has been created. Install the Cloud Code GitHub if you haven't already. Merged PR, enable close ecosystems. Okay, everything fine. These things we did. So it's now committing and pushing the changes. So let's wait for that. Okay, changed, made, updated. Okay, I like it. I have to say I do like it. Looks pretty nice. So added a comment that referenced this issue. So now I guess I can just pull it. I do the refresh. Okay, it's created a commit for, or did it create a branch for this? No. Change app title. So let's see what actually happened. So I have commits. This is my last one. So where is the commit? Updated. Okay, this app title has been sacrificed in both page blah 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 and the main heading. Source TSX. Claude finish, task, view job, create PR. Okay, so I have to do this myself now. It does not create the PR for me. Well, I think maybe that's we're just gonna do in the next video. It's getting already quite long. So I just press here, create PR. So I will just create the pull request. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. And so now I have a pull request. Yeah, for this little change, I have to admit it's like a lot of information. But okay, you want to do that probably on more extended features and things like that. So I think what other options I have, just let's take a quick look. So we have also a commit, I think. Okay, now it's here, the commit, actually. So probably now I can just fetch it. So we have the commit now here. It's here. Okay, nice. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that for now. I think I can just pull it, I guess. It's on main, right? Is it in my main branch? Okay, here it's not yet on the main branch, so it's created something. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Okay, the last thing that we show that it's actually working, so we just gonna merge pull request. Well, actually we want to check it first, basically. So how we do that? So I have to check out this branch probably. Which is the branch it is. So there should be a branch. Okay. So this is the branch name. So if we just do that, and then we go back and we say git checkout tech. Sorry. Okay, sorry, my bad. Git fetch or prune. Git checkout this. Did not match any files. So pnpm dev, and let's see, refresh the page, and here we are. Okay, nice. Sorry for the struggle at the end, but this is basically it. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to give me a like and subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Ciao, ciao.